I did an unboxing video and such on these headphones, earbuds, whatever you want to call them, about 4 months ago. Now that I've been using them drastically every single day for 4 months, I wanted to do a review. Pros and cons. That is a wireless, not wireless charger, it's one of the magnet chargers that just plugs into the port. That way if it's charging, because I'm a trucker, if it's charging and it falls or something, it doesn't break the port. Extends the life a little bit for me because I go through a lot of charge ports because I just kind of throw stuff around. I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth on my phone just to show you how awesome these things still work. Turning it on, just push done, and load up some YouTube. And then that'll be our music, but we'll use it. Not music. Turn that up. Why isn't my stuff turned down all the way? Don't know what's going on there. Sorry about that. Who knows? So, I've had these about 4 months. Still drastically in love with them. They're amazing. At 79%. It starts charging them both when I pull them out, put them back in. I have an ear problem to where when I'm using the left one, it starts hurting my ear. So, I normally use the right one the most. I kind of like to hear everything around me when I'm driving, so it's kind of nice to only have one in anyways. And nobody really asks it, but a lot of these brands, you have to have them both out. Or there's one that's the main, and you have to have the main in you. No, you can have this one out in your ear, and as soon as this one goes dead, in 8 hours, I get right at 8 hours. You put that, I normally pull out this one so it connects, and then I put this one in there until it starts charging. You don't need one or the other. You can have one out while the other one's charging. It works great. The only problem I've had with them is I let them sit a week one time when I went camping, and these actually...
Rust-Oleum clean metal primer.
Whoa. Why are you over here? Oh, because I kept pulling these out and plugging them back in. Okay. So, the only problem I had was when they set for a week inside this charger, they're actually dead. They almost, not all the way dead, but this thing went clear down to 90%. So 10% of what this box can hold had to be put out into just one of these, because I put that one in my ear and went to town, and then realized when I came back to plug this one in, this one said 90. This said 90%. So that means this thing had used 90%, which I think is about 60% was left in it, because it uses about 23% to charge one of these from totally dead. Another con is, these things work great, by the way. The buttons, there's buttons on both of them. When you press the button to answer a call or something, it pushes it clear into your skull. It's not as easy to push as some of the side buttons. It'd been nice if it was on the side. The volume up and down button is very slow, and they don't make it to where you can hold on it to make it go up. You gotta just keep clicking it, and it doesn't tell you when it's maxed out or nothing, and that's kind of a shame. The pause and unpause works really good. For calls, I've used one or I've used two. So there's a mic on both of these. I don't really know where. There's the mic. Right there's the mic. I don't know if you guys can see that little hole. And the other one must have a. You know, I'm gonna shut my Bluetooth off. I gotta be pissing off this phone. Yeah, and there's another mic. I've made calls, no problem at all. I can hear them clearly, and I'm pretty satisfied with them. Actually, my phone right before this one, same phone, the speaker went out on it, so I couldn't hear anybody, and I was using these, and they pair up super quick. You see my earwax in there? They pair up super quick. Have it. Fucking hell. There's a lot of earwax in there. Then pop off to clean all that crap out. I don't want that in my video. There we go. Clean that up a little bit. Haven't had any problem with the contacts charging it. Again, I've used them every day except for about 1 week where I went camping. Yeah, they all get a bit of earwax in them. Yeah, I was going to show you that they do work separately, because I don't know if I put that in my first video. I turn on the Bluetooth, just click OK, it's searching, skip the trial that they just keep pushing on me, and let's try the left one. Hopefully it goes loud enough. I don't even know where the mic is on this thing. I think it's on the front. It should be paired up. I'll put it in my ear first. Yep, paired up. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hopefully you guys can. So what I normally do, this isn't playing right now. When it goes into this, it kind of goes into sleep mode. What I do is when this one starts to die, in 8 hours, I've gotten 8 hours out of them, no problem. I pull this one out and let it pair. And it is quick. Yeah, it's already going. So then I go ahead and put this one in there to charge. It shuts that one off, puts it to sleep. This one's still working. You can hear it. And then, as my phone demonstrated earlier, if I put this in here, it should kick it through my phone. Or pause the video, that's the other thing.
It's only $18.90.
No, I push play, now it's going through here. If I pull this back out, wait a second, it'll just repair. They're so easy, they're so nice, especially for the price. Now if I push play, it should be going through my headset. Oh, it just popped up, see the little bar? Now it's going back through my headset. They do have excellent range. Most of the time I am pumping regular gasoline at it like a pilot, and I'll walk clear into the checkout areas and I'll start cutting out there. So you talk about 50 feet. At the cash register, it'll kick back on and scare the life out of me, and I'll be like, what's going on in my head? But I'll just leave it in the cup holder that's up kind of high, and that's going through the dash, the window, and all that to me inside the building. And I would say you could probably get 75, 100 feet out of them. Not a whole football field, direct range. But yeah, the lid works really good. I'm surprised because the lid just felt so chintzy when I got it. Feels like it's carbon fiber, the cheap carbon fiber. It doesn't feel metal, but it don't feel plastic. It charges right up, no problem when I plug it in. Also, when you're charging it from here, it'll charge all the devices. They'll charge this, they'll charge these, all simultaneously. I've never seen that red light before. Don't know what that red light's about. Yeah, there's a red light on both of them. Yeah, I never noticed that. I kind of just throw them in here and go. But after 4 months, I would definitely buy these again. Oh, they have great bass too, and they respond to your equalizer. Fucking hell. EQ. I don't even know if it'll come up on my phone. I got it adjusted long ago and I left it alone. I think it is called your equalizer. Yeah, where you can turn the bass up and down, turn it to rock and all that. Get the bass you want. The bass is excellent in these, and when the bass is thumping, it doesn't max out the pixelated when it goes too high. It doesn't do that, and it does not distort the sound. You can still hear everything, almost like a Bose, but nothing can beat a Bose or JBL or something like that. But for $30, I think I got them less than $30. Pretty good quality. I really feel like they'll last maybe a year and a half, 2 years with how much I'm using them. And to me, that's pretty good because I'm using them every day. Kind of taking a little bit of time off because Howard Stern decided to take 2 months off. Thanks for watching. Any questions, put it down below and I'll try to answer it down there. Thanks.